Toyota Yaris isn't just one of the UK's top-selling small cars, it's one of the most advanced as well. Big on performance and practicality, it's the only Super Mini to offer drivers the choice of a fuel-saving hybrid engine alongside conventional diesel and petrol versions. Our innovative hybrid qualifies for free road tax and emits just 75 grams of CO2 per kilometre, making it one of the greenest cars in its class and one of the cheapest to run too. So, now that we've got your attention, let's take a closer look at the car's design and specification. With privacy glass and alloy wheels offered as standard on this hybrid edition, there's no doubt the Yaris offers a bold, fun look. And it won't break the bank on fuel costs either. Standard equipment includes LED daytime running lights and a striking rear light design. The Yaris is packed full of neat, easy-to-use gadgets. On the road, the Yaris's tight turning circle, light steering and nimble handling make it the perfect partner for an evening out. While rain-sensing wipers, dusk-sensing headlights, and cruise control all help to take the stress out of driving. And there's more. The suite of high-tech options includes a wireless internet hotspot, digital